We will go for center. Okay, center method. Print a save this change x Python. Okay, and then write it here. X is equal to a dot center. Okay, write it center 30. Okay, and print x. Okay, save this change and run it Python. Okay, suppose you write it here 80 and save this change and run it Python. Okay, they're having the go for center pace. Okay, all of you understood? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, then we will go for our next method, count. Okay, count. A is equal to I love, I like to learn, Python programming. Okay, then print it A. Okay, save this change, run it. Okay, and then x is equal to a dot count. Okay, like it here, like. Okay, then check it, print x. Okay, check it, run this, only one. Okay, then why it is like this? Suppose like it here 2, like 2. Okay, save this change and what happened here, check it, only one count, only one string is here. Okay, I will like here like 2. Okay, x, save this change and run it. Why only one count is here? Don't know why.
Ma'am, it shows the repetition of the word.
Repetition. Yes, yes, yes.
Then
Like
in
only one count. Yes. One, only one. I. Yes, the I is repeating as a one time. Okay. Learn. Learn. You print it here. Learn. Save this change and then run it. What happened here? Only one time. Okay. Yes. Suppose we will write it here Python programming, and once again I will write it here Python, and then you check it Python, then save this change and run it 2 times. Okay. Yes. Okay, all of you understood this part? Okay, count the repeated words of string. Okay, good one. Yes, right now who is answered my question? We will mistake it sometime. Okay, who is answered the question right now? Rahul?
A69.
A69. Okay, what is your name?
Swapnil More.
Yes, yes. Okay, then next one, compare the two string. Okay, our next point is comparing these two string. They're having so many methods in Python, but sometime we will use it. Join, strip, r strip, we will enter the string, we will trim the string, means we can add the one string into our string, main string. Okay, and we will write strip, we will enter the right strip, we will go for right some of the pace, we will write it here and go for right string. Okay, and find, and next one split, separate the list, separate the string, and translate means we can translate the main string, okay, into integers, string, anything. Okay, okay, we will go for comparing these two string. Okay, they're having so many new file. Compare this two string, it is same or not same. Okay, write it here. Compare the two string. Okay, write it here. String 1, Python. String 2 is equal to Python and result. We will take the result. Okay, result is equal to string 1 is equal to string 2. Okay, and next one, print the result. Okay, save this change. Okay, demo string 4. Okay, dot py, save this change, save it and run it. True. Okay, all of you understood. This question is asked for many times. Is equal to, is equal to. What is equal to and double is equal to? It is many times asked the question of interviewer in technical round. Okay, all of you understood. What is equal to? Is equal to means simple equal to, and what is mean by equal to? Okay, it is our comparison operator. Okay, we will take it for two string compare, any string two operator we will implement. Okay, and double is equal to is the operator. Okay, and single is equal to, what is equal to? It is only ask simple question in technical round. Whatever you is equal to and operator, it will, it is it means I will use it here. Operator is equal to, we will compare these two string. Okay, it is true or false. Okay, understood everybody? But understood, write down any notebook. Is equal to and operator is equal to, it is operators. Okay, we will use it operator here to compare these two string. Okay, and what is single is equal to? Yes, anybody tell me what is equal to? Simple is equal to? Yes, it is right now. In yesterday asked the question. Okay, Cognizant asked the question in technical round. Okay, tell me what is equal to and operator is equal to. Yes, you don't know, go for difference between two operator, because so many times it's asked for interviewer. Yes,
Is equal to is assignment operator.
yes, and yes, this operator, what use?
Comparison.
Comparison. Yes, Vedangi. Yes, all of you, A and B division, you don't know, then you go for search it and write it. what is equal to and operator is equal to. Yes, it is operator. We will use it for comparison this two string. Okay, only simple method they are asking, and you are able to answer it this question. Okay, yes, because I'm not saying so much last time. I'm uh recently I will some student give the interview from Cab Cognizant and Capgemini. Then they ask the question like this, only simple, like what is abstraction, what is encapsulation, and the uh, what is the method of abstraction, OOPS concept. Okay, all of you clearly go for Java. OOPS concept, what is the theory of OOPS concept in Java, and OOPS concept we will go for OOPS concept in next week or next day for before next week. Okay, you strong it OOPS concept. I will tell you the what is the ask the question of in a company. Okay, yes, pillars of all languages, OOPS concept. Okay, yes, understood everybody? Vaibhavi, Sakshi is here, Rahul, Bhushan, yes, yes, all of you understood? UPS कॉन्सेप्ट कडे लक्ष द्या. आता पण तुमचं जावा मध्ये चालू आहे ना UPS कॉन्सेप्ट? येस वेदांगी? Don't
Yes,
miss
ma'am.
any session in between, because it is most important session. Okay, yes, write down is equal to and operator is equal to. I am telling the homework for you. Write the difference between two operator and send me our WhatsApp group in Python programming. Okay, in I'm telling the latest question asked from interviewer. Okay, in technical round. Okay, yes, I am telling only latest question for you. Okay, only one day I'm giving you one question for you for homework. Okay, today's homework. Okay, yes, we will go for our next point, string. One is compare the string to, okay, string 1 is equal to Python string 2 is equal to learn. Okay, then result is equal to string 1 is equal to string 2. Okay, then print result, save this change and run it. False. Why it is false? Because two string are not matched. Okay, it is used for comparison. This two string, it is compare the two string is equal to, then it is give the true result. Okay, then if two string it is not equals to, then it gives the our false. Okay, then we will go for string 2, string 3, then string 1 is equal to Python then A, then string 2 is equal to B, then result is equal to str1 less than str2, print the result, save this change and run it. Why it is true? Why it is true? A is less than B. Yes, but I am giving the change here. C. Write it C. Okay. Save this change and run it false because C is less than B. No, it is greater than B. Okay. Yes, everybody understood? Compare the two string. Yes, Vedangi, Sakshi.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then we will go for our next point. For you, go for it program. Write the program, convert the string hello Python uppercase using the string built-in function. Okay. What will be used here?
Capitalize.
Capitalize. Yes. Vedangi, why your slow voice?
Hello, I'm audible?
Yes. You are audible. Yes. Okay. Write it. Yes. Absolutely right, Vedangi. Write a program to convert this string hello Python lowercase using the string built-in function. Which function we will use it here?
Caseful.
Yes, absolutely right. Tell me who is answered the two question right now? Yes, Vishakha, Tejal, Tanvi, Rahul. Why, Rahul, where is Rahul? Poonam, Amruta, Pallavi. Yes, yes. Okay. All of you answered this question. Listen carefully. Today's homework for you. Uh, Tell me the difference of two operator is equal to and compare the two string is equal to operator. They were having also operator. Okay, but is equal to what is equal to? Simple is equal to study it today, whole day for you. Study it, write it pen and paper, write it into paper and scan it and send me into WhatsApp group. Okay, all of you A and B division, be ready for your question. Yes, all of you understood what is the question of today's session? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then we will move for our next point. Our next point is file handling. Okay, if you want 5 minutes break, then tell me, because of all session is our practical session now for because of only practical we will understood carefully. Okay, yes, if you want to, yes, anybody having problem, if you want to break of 5 minutes, then tell me, then we will continue it. Yes, take it screenshot of program and do it the program and send it our WhatsApp group. Okay, all of you understood? Okay, we will go for our next point, file handling. Okay, file handling, it is also important point in your session. Okay, what is mean by file handling? Yes, anybody tell me any operation you remember it in file handling? Yes, any operation you remember?
We can open, read, write, append, and close a file.
Yes. So simple way to file. What is mean by file? We can store some of the information into one file. We can store data, some of the data. we can permanently, we will not store it. We can store it temporary into file. Okay, temporary purpose, you can store any file like your 10th mark sheet, 12th mark sheet. If you want to, right now you are having first sim, second sim, third sim. If you are stored in one file, okay, one directory, yes, we can store in temporary basis. But if you want to store permanently, you can store it a hard disk. Okay, yes, into our disk in C file, in C folder. Okay, all of you format your laptop, then C drive folder. If C drive folder चे कंटेंट चेंज होत नाही, C drive मधले डेटा आहे तसाच राहतो. Okay, all of you understood? Why? Because all data should be stored in our hard disk. Okay, yes, all of you understood? And they're having simple operation in file. We can having open the file, we can read it file, write it file, close the file. Yes, they're having the three must operation in your file. Okay, open the file, read, write file, and close the file. Okay, yes, they're having different methods into opening the file. First, read method, they're having default methods. Okay, append means we can write it one string, and then we will append it into this string. Okay, then we can create the file. Okay, next one, they're having two mode of text mode and binary mode. You can add the image into file. Then we can go for opening the file. Opening the file, we can write it, reading the enough to specify the name of the file. F is equal to open demo1.test, comma read. Okay, print f dot read. Okay, we can go for our demo. First of all of you clearly go for it, because we can do it the program. Okay, first of all, write it here, notepad. Okay, notepad. Read it. फाईल रीड करायची आहे, तर आपल्याला पहिल्यांदा फाईल क्रिएट करावी लागेल. येस, ऑल ऑफ यू अंडरस्टूड? आय एम टेलिंग इन मराठी. येस, आपल्याला फाईल क्रिएट करावी लागेल. येस और नो? येस, then file save as demo1. Okay, save this change, and then go for file, new file. Okay, then we go for it. F is equal to बरोबर आहे. Yes, then open is equal to demo1. Okay, demo1.test. Okay, then read, then print f dot read. Okay, save this change, f demo dot py. Save this change and run it. Welcome, write it here. Okay, yes, all of you understood? What will we do right now? We will open the file demo.txt. If you want to open our program file, then go here, go here first. Okay, and then go for property and file, copy this file and paste it here. Okay, paste it here and write it which file, demo string, okay. Copy this file, okay, and then save it the change and run it. What happened here? Encoding. Okay, only test file should be run. Okay, okay, no any problem. Okay, save this change. Okay, if you write it here, welcome, I am student, then save this change, save as, then run it, I am student. Okay, if you, okay, all of you understood, open the file, then we will go for write. Okay, closing the file. F dot close. Okay, then save this change, run it, welcome, I am student. Okay, then we will go for our next point, write and create the file. Okay, to create, write the file, first we will write it, whatever you want to content, you write it. Okay, and then append this file. Okay, we can append it next one. Okay, we can write it, we can overwrite the exiting content. Okay, and append means append the end of the file. Okay, next one, we can first, we will check the write first, and then we will go for append the string, another string to our write function. Okay, first of all, go here, change it here, demo 2. Okay, no any problem, write it here, ty Vedant 06. Okay, we can create the another file here. Okay, right, okay, then f dot write, I am in third year I'm third year student. Okay, can write it and write it here, write it here, save this change and run it. Okay, why? Okay, there are no any issue of here. Okay, save this change and run it. Okay, go for our desktop. Okay, I am third year student. We can create, write the file. Okay, I am third year student. Then we will go here, append the string. Okay, another string. Welcome to campus. Okay, save this change and run it. Go here. Okay, they're having appending the string, another string, welcome to campus. Okay, all of you understood? We can open the file. First we read it, the file, we create the first file, demo.test. Then we can read it first, and then we will write it, the code of write, and then we will go for append method. Yes, all of you understood this much part of append the string,
Yes, ma'am.
another string. Okay, we will go for file once again. File is the one of the method you can store any data into file because of secure purpose, securing our data. Okay, then we will go for open the file. They're having normal operation in file handling in Python. Open a file, read it file, write it file, and close it file. Okay, and then we will go for methods of file handling, mode of file handling, read, append, write, and create. Okay, and then we can go for, they're having two type of file, test mode, binary mode. Okay, and image, if you insert image, computer take the image as a 0110 format. Okay, means matrix format. Okay, then open the file demo1.test, read it first. First you create the notepad file, test file, simple test file, and then we can read it first. Okay, and then close it file, and then write the file. Okay, and then append the file, another test to append it into same file. Okay, okay, all of you understood this much part of file handling. We are going to discuss exception in our next lecture. Yes, all of you understood this much part of file handling.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
all of you. Yes, yes, Chinmay, Suraj, Rahul, Rohit, Tanvi, Aishwarya is here. Okay. If you want to do it, the program of two, I'm telling right now, two program is here. If you want to do it, you, if you want to do it right now, you do it. You are having the 5 minutes. You do it, Vedangi. You are interested to do? Yes.
Ma'am, which program?
Right now we will go for string handling. Yes, Vedangi.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. And they're having last programs, two programs there. Yes. I will open it here. First, I will revise the concept of file handling, and then we will go for string handling once again. Okay, I will open it here, Vedangi, and then you can do it. All of you do it. Okay, file handling. I am telling Marathi. Suppose तुम्हाला एखादा डेटा स्टोअर करायचा आहे एका फाईल मध्ये. येस, आपण एक सिंपल फाईल क्रिएट करतो इन नॅचरल. येस, येस और नो. एक डेटा स्टोअर करायचा आहे म्हणून आपण एक फाईल क्रिएट करतो. येस, फाईल क्रिएट करणार. येस, नंतर नेक्स्ट वी विल ओपन इट फाईल, देन वी विल रिक्वायर्ड. ओके, येस और नो. येस, म्हणजे सिंपल फाईल मीन्स वी विल स्टोअर अवर डेटा in specific location, specific information we will store it in specific location in specific file. Yes, all of you understood this much part. And then file having the three operation, main operation, three operation. Open the file. First we can open the file, and next one we can read or write the file. Next, third, close the file. Next one, they are having three operation, three method to file: read, write, append, close. Okay, and then continue. Means they are having test method, test mode. There are two methods: test and binary. Test mode, it is default. Okay, and next one, binary mode. Next one, open the file. Opening the file, first f is equal to open demo1.test. Read it, print f.read method, and then close the file. Next one, write and create the file. Write, they're having operation of file demo1.test and write. You can directly write it here. Okay, then automatically create your test file in your disk. Okay, and exception, they're having start from exception handling. Don't go here. Only file operation is covered today's session, and string. Okay, and next string. Hello, all of you. Perform the two program. Vedangi, see here, problem statement is here.
Yes.
Okay, Sakshi,
Yes, ma'am.
yes, do it the program. Two program. It is very simple. Only 5 to 10 minutes to cover the two program. Rohit, Rahul Gapat. Where is Rahul Gapat?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yes. 70, roll number 70. B division, one student ready to share your screen, and A division is also ready for your sharing your screen. Okay, be ready for two program. Do it very fastly. And for your homework, they're having difference between two operators. All of you, it is compulsory to do it, because I am going to follow for your two division. Okay, B division and A division. Okay, yes, understood. Take whole day and check it. What is the main difference for two operators? Is equal to, it is not operator. Okay, is equal to, it is not operator. Only assign the one value. Okay, and the means assignment is equal to is comparison operator. What is mean by double is equal to and is equal to, you tell me in your next session. Okay, I will check it every student in regular basis. Okay, what is your actually you want to do it. Okay, Vedangi, Rahul, Rohit, Sakshi. Okay, Tanvi, Pallavi, Sneha, Vaibhavi. Okay, all of you do it. Go for two difference and write it in pen and paper and send me in WhatsApp group. Okay, our WhatsApp group is open for you. Okay, if it is over, your two program is over, then tell me.
Yes, ma'am. Can I share?
Yes, Vedangi. B division, ready. Yes. Hello. Okay. Very good. Very good. Okay. B division. Right now onwards, I will go for Jupyter. All of you know about editors of Ideally. Which editor use it? Okay. If you go for Jupyter Notebook, it is easy to you. All of you, Sakshi, Unnati, Madhuri. Okay. If you're familiar with all editor, then we will go for a Jupyter Notebook. It is best editor. I will check cloud platform for you because it is easy to run it and all code is available in our one notebook. Okay. Yes. Best way you go for Jupyter Notebook. Okay, Rahul. I wait for 2 minutes. I'm make you co-host now. Okay. Yes, Rahul. You share your screen. Rahul.
Yes, ma'am. Yes. I'm
Yes, yes.
sharing.
Yes. Okay. I will wait for here.
Is it visible, ma'am?
Yes. It is visible.
A is in uppercase
Okay.
and
Yes.
X is in lower.
Yes. You can take it lower. It's okay. But I'm telling case for okay. It's okay. No problem, Rahul. And upper. Yes. Hello Python. Yes. Use it upper. No any issue. If you use it capitalize, is upper also is method. Okay. I run it. Hello
Hello,
Python.
Python.
Okay. Yes. And capitalize only one character should be capital. Okay. Yes. Okay. Rahul, very good. Stop sharing your screen. We will
Okay,
go
ma'am.
for yes. Okay. Very good. Next one. Uh, roll number 73. 70.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you do it. I make
Yes,
you
ma'am.
go now. Yes. Share your screen. Yes, Rishaka. Wait for a minute. We'll go for it.
Is it visible?
Yes, it is visible. Yes. Yes. Okay. No any issue. They're having the output is visible. No any issue. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Stop sharing your screen. Vishakha. Vishakha.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Share your screen.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Yes. Okay.
Can you see my screen?
Yes. 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 Okay. Run it. Your program. Why it is?
I taken a lowercase.
Yes, you
converted
take it
into
lowercase, uppercase. It is convert into uppercase. Wait for me.
capitalization here. Here is a capitalization.
Clear this screen. Uppercase X. Go for it. Yes. Only X you print it X.
Okay, okay.
Yes. Yes. No any issue. Okay. Then you can run it once again. Why it is here like this? Not know. X should be
Here
printed
is a
here.
space.
Yes. Run it
Now
once
it's
again.
fine.
Yes. Hello. Yes. It is also
By
go for
mistake,
here.
its space
Yes.
is
Yes.
there.
Yes. Yes. Go for here also. Same. Why?
I take in a
Hello.
capital
Yes. Yes.
first.
Hello. Capital and lowercase. Okay. No any issues from here. Case full. Okay. Very good. Please go for indentation very clearly, because
Okay.
of indentation is so much important in Python. Okay.
Yes, yes.
Yes. White spacing. Okay. Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Vishaka, very good. All of
Can
you.
I stop?
Yes. Yes. Stop your sharing. Yes. Very good. Yes, Rahul. Rahul, I'm saying here. Rahul, I'm clear your doubt. Yes, only capitalized method, only one first character should be capital. If you use it upper method, or upper method is also available in Python. In upper method, all letters should be capital. Okay. Capitalized method, only one method should be capital. One character should be capital. Okay, in starting method. Okay, and case for all upper letter should be converted into lowercase. Okay. Yes, Rahul. Your doubt is clear. Because of so many methods in Python, if you go for strip, R strip, I'm giving you the today. I'm giving you the PPTs for string handling. Go for all method. Do it. Join, strip, art strip, L strip also having here. L strip, art strip, find, split, translate. Okay. Yes. Go for it. All method. Yes. Yes,
Ma'am,
Vedangi. Yes.
what is the difference between case fold and lower?
They're having no any difference, but upper and you send me case fold and lower. There is no any difference, but some of the lower case also same print output is there in case fold and lower case. Okay, no any, it's some of the similar like this. Okay, no any some of the difference is there. Only convert the string into lower case. The having is lower also case and lower case also and case fold also. Okay. Yes, Vedangi.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. If you use it lowercase, no any issue, because of so many methods available. Use it case fold, no any problem. Use it lowercase, no any problem. Use it your choice. Format also we will help. Program is there in uh, we will use it program format. There having also method in string handling. Okay, format. Yes. Okay. All of you see this screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. No any issue. Use it case for lower, is lower, and capitalize case for same method is used for upper, is lower, is lower, is upper. Okay. They're having so many methods repeated once. Strip, R strip, real strip also is in Python. Join, find, split, two string lists are separated using the split method, and translate. Take it two string, and one string can convert into next string. Okay, if you take it dictionary first and take it integer and convert what you want to translate, which string, which method you translate, mass dictionary or integer. Okay, check it, your choice. Perform it all program. I'm taking only 10 methods because of so many time use it this method in Python. Lower, upper, case fold, capitalize, center, count. That's why I'm taking only 10 to 11 methods in, we will use it for many times. And if you want to go for it, okay. Yes, today's session, anyone having any doubt? Yes, Sakshi,
No, ma'am.
yes, Vedangi,
No, ma'am.
Rohit, Rahul, Meenakshi. But in capitalize, only one character, first character should be uppercase. If a program all string in uppercase, okay, in first character should be uppercase, then you use it capitalize, and then if the program said like this, all string must be in capital letter, then use it uppercase, upper method, and case fold and lower, you use it two method, no any issues for it. Use it which method you can prefer it first. Okay. Yes. Anyone having any doubt in between? Count is repeated word string. You can write it string and print it. How many string you can repeat it in your string? Yes, Python two string are repeated, then print it two count, and then like you can print it 10, 3 or 5 10, you can print it, count is 3, like is count is 3. Okay. Yes, all of you understood? Yes. Focus on only 4 or 5 method because of so many time use it. Okay. Yes, anyone having any doubt? We will stop here. Yes. Yes, Vedangi.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. A division. Roll number 1,
Present, ma'am.
2,
Present, ma'am.
3, 3, absent 4,
Present, ma'am.
5, 6,
Present, ma'am.
7,
Present, ma'am.
8. 8 is here? No. 9,
Present, ma'am.
10. 10 is here? No. 11,
Present, ma'am.
12, 13,
Present, ma'am.
14, 14, 14, absent 15, yes, Rahul. Rahul, unmute yourself. Yes, Rahul.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you said me right now. Explain the file handling once again. Okay. Yes, Rahul. I'm saying explain it once again if you want it. Yes. You want to explain practical once again or theory? Yes,
Program,
Rahul.
madam.
Yes, okay. I will explain program once again. Okay, all of you, A and B division. First of all, clearly listen it. Program of our session. Okay. First of all, you create the one test file. Okay, you create the one test file. I'm doing the test file demo1. Okay, D capital EMO. If you write it capital or small, you check it once again. Create the one test file demo1. Okay, simple test file. Text desktop. You create the simple file in desktop. Okay, all of you don't go for picture documents or C folder, because of you can set the path of program also. Okay, Vedangi, Rahul and Rohit, all of you, A division and B division, Sakshi, don't go for document folder or CD folder. Only go for simple way. Go for create your test file in desktop. Okay, it easy for you. Okay, yes, understood everybody. Create
Yes,
the
ma'am.
test
Yes.
file in desktop and then go for here. First I will read it file. Okay, I will read it first file. Okay, demo1 dot txt. Okay, and then we can write it here, read. Okay, we can write it here, read. Then f print f dot read. Okay, f dot read function, we will use it here. Then save this change and then run it. Welcome, I am student. Okay, why it is like this? Welcome, I am student. I am change here. Welcome, I am student. Write it here. Welcome, I am student. Okay. Then here is printed. Welcome, I am student. Suppose only I am read the file content. Read it. Okay. Then I will write it file. Then I will change it here name. Write. Okay, I am directly write the file. I am not create the file. I am write the file. Okay. First, I will create the test file because I am want to read the content of the file. Yes, demo1.test. Okay. And write method, we can directly write it, create the file. Okay. Suppose Rahul dot test. Okay. And then we can write it here. Yes. And then save this change and run it. Check it here. Rahul test is available here. Check it. Rahul is available. Okay. Yes, Rahul.
Ma'am, screen is not visible.
Ma'am, screen is not visible.
Okay. Wait for a minute. Right now it is visible. Right now it is visible, Rahul.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. We can directly write the test. Okay. Then you can write it here. Which you want to test, you write it here. Rahul, Rohit, anything you can create the test file and write it here. Welcome to campus. Welcome to campus. Then run it once again. Then go for your desktop. Rahul, file is created. Welcome to campus. Okay. Then I will write append the file. Okay. Append Rahul test. Only Rahul test मध्येच मला append करायचे अजून एक string. Okay. Then write it here. Hello world. Hello world. Save this change. Okay. And then run it once again. Then go to here. Hello world. Okay. They're having 3 mode. We will clear it 3 mode. 3 mode is here. Read. We can first create the test file. Then we can read it. Read mode. Okay. Then we can write it. Then we can directly create here test file. Rohit, Rahul, anything. If Vishakha, write it here. Then write it here. What you want to test, you write it. Okay. And then close it. Then append the string of this file. Rahul.test. Okay. Yes, all of you understood? Yes. Rahul, Rohit. Rahul,
Yes, ma'am.
Rohit. Yes, only 3 mode we will check it. Don't go any complex part. Go for simple way. Okay. Don't go for the document C, D, E drive. Only I will explain it because of simple way. You can create, we can read it. We can write it file into desktop only. Okay. Yes. Vishakha, Rahul, Rohit. All of you clear? Sakshi?
Yes, ma'am.
Sakshi? Yes?
Yes.
Division?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All of you, all two division clear file handling, because of we will go for exception. Then all points you should be clear of file handling because of basic part of here. Okay. Yes. I am sending the PPTs also in file handling with some exception is over. Then we will send you the PPTs of file handling also, and then you can practice the coding. Okay. Yes. Vedangi.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Rahul. Only you do it the practice of built-in methods in string. Okay. Because of so many questions asked for this question, string method in small part. Okay. Yes. 15 roll number, A division. 15 roll number. Yes. Not available. Okay. 16.
Present, ma'am.
17.
Present, ma'am.
18.
Yes, ma'am.
19.
Present, ma'am.
20.
Present, ma'am.
21.
Present, ma'am.
22.
Present, ma'am.
23.
Yes, ma'am.
24. 24. 24 is here? No. Okay. 25.
Present, ma'am.
26.
Present, ma'am.
27.
Present, ma'am.
28. 29.
Present, ma'am.
30. 30. 30. 31.
Present, ma'am.
32.
Present, ma'am.
30. 33. 33 is here. No, 34.
Present, ma'am.
35. Present. Vishakha. Yes. 36.
Yes, ma'am.
37.
Present, ma'am.
38.
Present, ma'am.
39.
Present, ma'am.
40.
Present, ma'am.
41.
Present, ma'am.
42.
Present, ma'am.
43.
Present, ma'am.
44.
Present, ma'am.
45.
Present, ma'am.
46.
Present, ma'am.
47.
Present, ma'am.
48.
Present.
49. 49. 50.
Yes, ma'am.
51.
Present, ma'am.
52. 52. 53.
53, madam.
54. 54. Absent. 55. 55. No. Okay. 56. 56. 57.
Present, ma'am.
58.
Present, ma'am.
59. 59. 60. 60. 61.
Present, ma'am.
62. 62. No. Okay. 63,
Present, ma'am.
64,
Present, ma'am.
65,
Present, ma'am.
66,
Present, ma'am.
67, 68,
Present, ma'am.
69,
Present, ma'am.
70,
Present, ma'am.
71,
Present.
72,
Present, ma'am.
73,
Present, ma'am.
74,
Present, ma'am.
75,
Present, ma'am.
76, absent. 77, absent. 78, Raviraj, yes, present.
Present, ma'am.
79, yes. 79, absent. 80, Vikas, yes, he's here.
Present.
Okay. Okay. B division, don't leave this session. Okay, it is so much important. Point is discussed with you. Yes, yesterday I will send you the one. I was send you the one Google form. Yes, I am send you one Google form only. You can upload your exam fee. Exam fee same second. Yes, why exam fee second. Okay, semester second exam fee. I'm not tell you the tuition fee or anything. I'm tell you only exam fee. I want you for your side. Yes, B division. Some student uploaded the wrong. Okay. Yes, I will send you once again today Google form. Please upload it correct transition. Okay. Yes, B division. B division. Please give me reply. Sakshi,
Yes, ma'am.
Shruti. Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
yes. Okay. Start the present B division. B division 1,
Present, ma'am.
2.
Present, ma'am.
Wait for a minute. B division. A division. Absent roll number. Absent roll number, clearly listen it because I will absent it from the today's session. Okay. 5, 8, 15, 24, A division. 5, 8, 15, 24, 49, 52, 54, 55, 56, 59, 60, 62, 76, 77, 79, 80 is present. Okay. 79. This is the absent roll number from A division. Okay. Absent roll number from A division 5, 8, 15, 24, 49, 52, 54, 55, 56, 59, 60, 62, 76, 77, 79. Okay. A division absent roll number. Yes. Okay. B division start from 1 present, 2,
Present.
3,
Yes, ma'am.
4,
Yes, ma'am.
5,
Present, ma'am.
6,
Present, ma'am.
7,
Present, ma'am.
8,
Present, ma'am.
9, present,
Present,
10,
ma'am.
10,
Yes, ma'am.
11,
Present, ma'am.
12,
Present, ma'am.
13,
Present, ma'am.
14, 14, absent. And don't leave the session. Please don't leave the session. Okay. 14, 15.
Present, ma'am.
16. Present. 17. 17. Absent. 18.
Present, ma'am.
19.
Present, ma'am.
20.
Present, ma'am.
21.
Present.
22. 22. Absent. 23.
Present, ma'am.
24. 24. 25. 25. 26.
Present, ma'am.
Yes. 27.
Present, ma'am.
28. 28. 29.
Present, ma'am.
28. 30. 30.
Present,
30.
ma'am.
31.
Present, ma'am. Present,
32.
ma'am.
Yes. 32.
Ma'am.
32 present. 33.
Yes, ma'am. 32 present, ma'am.
33.
Present, ma'am.
34.
Present, ma'am.
35. 35. Kiran. 36.
Present, ma'am.
37. Absent. 38.
Present, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am,
39.
35.
Yes, yes. Present. I will write it here. Present. 38. Present. 39. 39. Absent. 40. 40. 41.
Present, ma'am.
42. 43. 44.
Present, ma'am.
45.
Present, ma'am.
46.
Present, ma'am.
47.
Present, ma'am.
48. 48. 49.
Present, ma'am.
50.
Present, ma'am.
51.
Present, ma'am.
51. 52. 52. 53. 53. Don't leave the session. 53. 54. 55. 56. 57. 57. 57 is present here. 58.
Yes, ma'am.
59.
58.
59. 59. Absent. Okay. 60.
Yes, ma'am.
61.
Present.
62. 62. Absent. 63. 63. 64. 65.
65
Present.
present,
Shubham.
ma'am.
Yes. 66. Absent. 67. Omkar present. 68. Present.
Present.
69. Absent. 70. Present. 71. Present. 72.
Present, madam.
73. 73.
Yes, ma'am.
74 present. 75
Present,
absent.
ma'am.
Present.
75
Present.
76 77 78 Chinmay. Okay. 79 yes. 79 absent. 80
Present, ma'am.
okay. Absent roll number Vishal. Roll number 53.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Where you are into present. We call you roll number 53.
मॅम नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लेम था तर त्यामुळे लेफ्ट झाला अचानक.
Okay. Wait. B division. Roll number absent roll number 14, 22, 24, 25, 28, 37, 39, 42, 43, 48, 52, 54, 55, 56, 59, 62, 63, 64, 66, 69, 76, 77, 79. This roll number call me in urgent basis. Okay. I will require for your mail in absent roll number. Then I will mark you presently if it is valid reason is in this roll number. If it is not valid roll number reason, then I will mark it absentee. Okay, B division. B division. Absent roll number. B 14, 22, 24, 25, 28, 37, 39, 42, 43, 48,
37 present आहे.
47,
37 37.
37, yes, present. 39, 42, 43, 48, 52, 54, 55, 56, 59, 62, 63, 64, 66, 69, 76, 77, 79. Sakshi, inform the student. If you are having the mail, if you are having the group, inform this group member. If
Okay,
it is 4 p.m., I got the mail from your side, I will mark the presentee. Otherwise, I will mark the absent. Okay. In today's lecture. In A division, it is response is so much response. It is no one is A division for remain absent. Vedangi is very good from A division. And B division, why it is occurring like this? Why? What is the problem of A B division?
77 is present.
Yes.
77 is present.
Okay. 77 is present. Okay. Yes. Anyone B division is present? Then tell me. Absent roll number 14, 22, 24, 25, 25, 28, 39, 42, 43, 48, 52, 54, 55, 56, 59, 62, 63, 64, 66, 69, 76, and 79. Okay. Don't do like this. If A division and B division, all of you TY, Python is so much important in nowadays. Don't, if it is over for your in internship, go for a refreshment for my class. Take it my class also in serious basis. For you want to, if you require to Python is every time change. If you learn it right now in 2 or 3 months, if it is add a new technology in Python. Okay, don't think like this. I am learning Python in internship and don't require this lecture or don't require this session. Don't do like this. because of B, you are having the machine learning subject. No, machine learning, why go like this machine learning? AI in next sim for you. You are required for Python basic practical. Why you don't think like this? Because of so many methods and practical, it is required from AI also. तुम्ही का सिरियसली घेत नाहीये? Only 90 or 100 student present. Yes, stop my recording. Yes, Vedangi, Sakshi, because of yes, please student सिरियसली अटेंड करा बिकॉज ऑफ तुम्हाला सेकंड सिमला पण AI आहे. AI आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजंट and next semester if you go in final year machine learning, you are having the subject of machine learning. त्यासाठी तुम्हाला पायथॉनचे ग ना ग सुद्धा माहिती पाहिजे. कासाठी P यूज करतात, कशासाठी A यूज करतात, त्याच्यापासून सगळं माहिती पाहिजे. वेदांगी, साक्षी, चिन्मय, especially B division, please don't remain absent in technical subject. If you remain absent in like this, they're having the problem of you. Okay, yes, understood? A and B division, A division, they're having so many good response. Why B division like this? Don't know. Yes, Tanvi, Sanika, Sneha, Amruta. Yes, I am advancedly tell you the subject of same second and same final year. तुम्ही आता पायथॉन शिकताय तर ते कंटिन्युअसली तुम्हाला 3 वर्ष आहेच आणि हे लक्षातच ठेवा. तुम्ही आताच लक्षात ठेवा, कारण की हे तुम्हाला जाणारच नाही. तुम्ही आता शिकणार आहे तर तुम्हाला हे कंटिन्युअसली शिकत जावंच लागणार आहे. बिकॉज मध्ये पायथॉन मध्ये खूप पॅकेजेस ऍड होत आहेत. आम्ही पण अजून शिकतोच आहे, तुम्ही पण शिका. जेवढा आहे तुमच्याकडून पण मला द्या आणि मी पण तुम्हाला देते. असं करूया आपण ऍज अ इंटरॅक्टिव्ह सेशन. ओके वेदांगी, साक्षी. येस
Yes, ma'am.
yes, and do it database in clearly because we will go for database in our next session. Next means we will go for OOPS concept first and then we will go for MySQL. Okay, yes, Vedangi, Sakshi, Rohit, Rahul. Okay, yes, all of you understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you are having good day, good session, and don't remain absent. B division, I am taking follow up for all subject. B division, Sakshi,
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
I am taking follow up for all session. Okay,
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
okay, thank you very much. You are having good day, good session. Session is over.